Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. Now this is just a monthly beauty subscription that costs us $50. You get 8 full-size products and 4 sample size. And you get a big bag, makeup bag. Okay, so you can get makeup products, beauty products, hair care, anything that's in beauty. Hair, skin, sometimes nails. I really don't like getting nail polish. I have so many, I've probably got 1,000 bottles, so I really don't need no more. But they do send them sometimes. Okay. So here is the inside of the box. Discover yourself. Now, I don't know. I've not really been filling this box. It started in October. I got my first box in October. And I don't know. It's not what I expected. They was killing it with the Glam Bag Plus. So I thought, you know what? This is going to be a good box to get. And it's just not. So I hope maybe this year they up their game and send us a good box. So here's the pamphlet. This month's theme for all 3 boxes are Clean Slate. Because they do have the regular Glam Bag, which is $12. Then they have the Glam Bag Plus that is $25. And with the Glam Bag, regular Glam Bag, you get 5 sample size, and the other one you get 5 full size. And everyone's got a bag of small, medium, large bags. Okay. So we will look at this in a minute. And the thing, I don't know if I told you, it's Clean Slate. Okay. So here is our big bag. I do like that. I think it's very pretty. I just don't know. I like the marble design this month. Here is the zipper. And it just zips up like this. And it's got the shiny rose gold. I don't know. I just love the marble. Then inside it's got a zipper to stick stuff on this side, which is mesh, so you can see what's in there. And then this. So I really like that. Okay, so my first items are Avit Daily Fresh Squeeze, and one's a pink one and one's a green one. This must be something to do with coconuts, and I'm not sure the fragrance because everything's written in Chinese. So we got 2 sheet masks. Okay, so then we got then, I guess that's how you pronounce it, THNN, which is probably not. This is the Eden Breeze Body Butter with nano, shiso, and rose and jasmine essential oils. It does have rice bran oil. Is enriched with vitamin E, and high levels of essential fatty acids provide benefits of natural sunscreen, intense moisturizer, and antioxidant. And it's supposed to smell really good. So it looks like this. I don't know. Body Butter Breeze, Eden Breeze. It's kind of got like a 4 scent to it. But I do like it. Right now, this time of year, I need all the lotions I can get. It's like my skin is saying, please, I'm thirsty, give me water. But it's just I don't know. I'm dehydrated. Everything's dehydrated. I'm drinking more water. My skin is looking better for drinking more water, but it's still very dry. And this is Hey Honey. Take away the drama, youth boosting, honey and copper peel off mask. It fluoridates to lift away impurities and drama. It's got 60 milliliters, which is 2.0 flow ounces. And here's what it looks like. Ooh. It's got a little bit of a smell to it. I don't think it could be honey, but I don't know. It's very sticky like honey. But I probably will like that. I do like a good peel-off mask. Especially when I'm sitting around doing nothing and watching TV. I can just stick one on, then 20 minutes later take it off. This works. It's the next item. Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Fall asleep faster, naturally, and wake up refreshed. Now this is what I need. You got 75 milliliters, which is 2.5 flow ounces. And I guess it's going to help you get 8 hours of sleep, it says. Now, I don't know. And here's what the bottle looks like. Now, if I spray it now, I go to sleep. I don't know about that. I was thinking lavender, something. That smells like that one sea salt. What is it? It's a muscle relaxer. It's like to help your muscles. That is what that reminds me of. It's for like when you work out. Oh, that's what it smells like. I don't like it. Okay, the next thing is by Fresh, and this is Touch Fresh Highlighting Balm, and you got 0.13 ounces, which is 3.7 grams, and we did get the color 100 Startle. That's not going to make me sleep. It's going to make me sick. Okay, so it comes in a little tube like this. I got a bunch of these. Not a bunch of these, but I've probably got like 4 or 5 highlighters in this concept from different brands. So, it's not like very intense, but blends out easy. I don't know. So I'll try this out and see what I think. Some of them I like and some of them I don't. It's just some of them work and some of them don't. Okay. The Havea Time to Hydrate. It's Essential Day Moisturizer for normal to dry skin. You got 75 milliliters, which is 2.5 flow ounces. Now, I really like their moisturizers. They've got some really good products. I've got hand creams. I've got face masks. I've got lotions. I got a bunch of their products. Havea is one of my favorite products there is for lotions because they are like super soft. So it is right here. It smells good. So I know I'm going to like this. Because right now my body just needs it. And it's just like, I don't know, I'm just so dry. Okay. Next, we got Beet Plus Vitamin A Serum Shot by Sweet Chef. It refines pores and smooths rough skin. We got 30 milliliters, which is 1 flow ounce. This is vegan, cruelty-free, free of alcohol, paraphrase, and synthetic dyes and fragrances, which is really good. Okay, so here is the bottle it comes in. It reminds me of that medicine you take when you're a child. I think I got too much scent on me. Right here it is. I can't really smell nothing. But it could be just where I've got so many senses going on. Okay, so we got some nail polish, we got Pretty Woman. I've had plenty of theirs before. This is, you got 0.3 flow ounces, which is 10 milliliters. That's about 10, 15 milliliters, standard bottle of nail polish. Don't be jelly. And right here it is. It is a pretty color. I like to paint my toenails dark, so this will work for my toenails or my fingers. Okay. Then we've got the Tartless Quick Dry, and we got Infestable. Now Tarte makes some really good lipsticks like this, or lip paint. I've got a few of these, and they've always worked out good. So right there. I really don't need a mirror, but it is such a pretty color. Okay. Then we've got the Marc Anthony, which I love Marc Anthony's hair stuff. Like the leave-in conditioners, I use them all the time. This is 100% extra virgin coconut oil and shea butter. It's a leave-in conditioner to detangle, hydrate hair, damaged hair into soft, smooth, healthy-looking hair with biotin. We did get 50 milliliters, which is 1.69 flow ounces, and this is free from sulfates, SLS, farsanes, and which I just ran out of my Marc Anthony. I think I got enough to use like one more time, so I'm glad I did get this. So it is just right here. I put stuff like this in my leave-in conditioner where I've got natural curly hair. You can really smell the coconut and shea butter. I love that smell. Okay, so then we have a brush. Ooh, I like that. It's kind of like a marble design too. It is the 160F face brush by Farah. I've got a bunch of Farah brushes. They work really good. So I do like that. And was it a face brush? I don't know. I kind of would like this for, I don't know, which I guess face could be, you can set your under eyes with it. You could use it for blush. You could use it to contour. Anything you want it to. Probably shouldn't touch my face. Everything's breaking my face out right now. Alternative Rock. And I think it's by the Balm. Face Palette Volume 1. And you got a nice mirror. And then, ooh, I really like how that folds back. Okay. So then, you got 6 eyeshadows, a highlighter, a blush, and a contour. Swatch these. I don't know. I think I've got one Balm palette left. I gave the rest of them away. They are really good. They make some really good cosmetics. I do have their eyeliner on, but I wasn't using them. So this is Naughty or Lead ashtrays. Next one is Take It for Granted, Copper, attitude, nice ash, all or nothing. Then R more than you is the contour color. Of course you did is the blush. And the salt and pepper. Ooh, now that is a little too much. Let me see. That is like, I barely touched it that time. That's a really bright, maybe a little too bright. So I do like that, and I really like how it folds up like that, because when I do my makeup, half the time I just use the mirrors, then it'd be better than have to hold it down. So I like that, really cute. Okay. And that is actually retailed for $27.50. And that Hey Honey Peel Off Mask is actually retailed for $49. That's almost like the whole box price. The pillow spray is $29. They have Vea Day Moisturizer is actually retailed for $67. And the Fresh Highlighter Balm is retailed for $18. The Tarte lip paint is retailed for $20. Okay, on the mask, full size is valued $8 a set. I don't know how many you get in a set. The Pretty Woman nail polish is retailed for $7.99. The Marc Anthony is a deluxe sample, so I guess it's not retailed. The Farah brush is full size is valued at $12. And one of the first things we've done, the body butter by Van is $19, and then the beet oil serum is retailed for $20. So you know you're getting way past more than $50. I don't know. I'm looking around. I really like the bag. I do like the palette. I like the brush. It's a little better than what it was, but it's really not. It's not like the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I don't know. You get 5 items. Normally, they're really good items. The marbles, I do have like all 3 bags. I don't have the other one in here, so I do have like the whole set. And I really like the marble stuff. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm just like, if they don't get no better, I am going to cancel, and I'll probably pick another box from something else. If you guys have any, like, a different box to try, just leave it down in the comments below. Because, I don't know, I'm just not feeling this. For $50, I don't know, seems like they could do a little bit better than what they have been doing. I mean, I did like a lot of my stuff, but I don't know, it's just not like the best. But I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell over in the corner so you will be notified when I do upload, which is Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Sometimes I do bonus videos during the week, like when I'm doing the subscription boxes. And if you would like to try Ipsy for yourself, I will leave the link down below. And this month you do get a free bottle of Glam Glow face wash, which is pretty cool. But I guess that's it. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.